Want to tell you about our project for the HackaTUM. It's called MouseTron. This is the tool which helps you to solve your everyday tasks using the automated actions from your mouse powered by the agents. Uh, we designed the plugin for the Logitech mouse, which works with the action ring, and using the action ring you can trigger the our MouseTron agent. Let's dive into how it works. So we press the button which triggers our agent. There are several features here, but first let's start with an example of the usage. For example, Ilya, you're Ilya, and Saba is our mentor, and Saba gives us some task. Do the brief report on how RAG is being used in educational research, and we have some conversation here. Then Saba asks us to do the report and uh, share the Google Doc through the email. So let's just select all this text, trigger our assistant, and use this option, send text with input, which tracks the selected text by our mouse, and also we can specify some input, like some additional text for this task. Let's say do this task and send the report to the email air code 69 gmail.com. Yep. And the pop-out window with the agent progress appears at the main screen. We can see it right now. Now it's waiting for agent to start. While it's starting, yeah, it's just started. There are 4 steps. Step 1 is search for information about RAG in educational research using some search. Then it creates the Google Docs document with the report, and then the third step it sends the Google document. And now we're gonna have all these steps one by one implemented. Um, let's talk a bit how our project works. We are using Zapier MCP. This is the platform which provides MCPs for more than 1000 applications, and so you definitely will find suitable application. The one moment before using our plugin, you should add all MCPs for all tools you're using here, otherwise it's not gonna work. And let's see our progress. Yeah, step 1 is in progress. Meanwhile, let me explain how how does it work, and how the agent works in general. So basically we take all the input from the action ring and all the submitted related information, and we send it to our agent, which is connected to the Zapier MCP, and it search for the relevant tools, relevant MCPs. Each MCP has some tools, like for example for the Google Docs there are there is list of tools. For example, append text to the document. um, yeah, and then it performs the it performs the agent call. We were using long graph, and here we can see the chain of agent calls we have for validating this task. Yeah. Okay, meanwhile, step one was completed, and we searched for the comprehensive information, and now we're on the step two, where we create a new Google document. Yep. And here, yeah, you can see all the agents and the chains they are doing. It elaborated the plan, and then it calls the validation agent, and after that it calls the execution agent. Um, One more important thing is the features we support here. We have the send text with input, which we used. Also, we have just the send text. This is the feature where you just select some text, press this feature, and it sends to the agent. And we also support the recommendation system. These four features are used for tracking some patterns which user usually use. For example, when you're doing some GitHub project and you want automatically to pull something, to push it, to commit, everything can be done by our agent. Or if you want to schedule the meeting with your teammate and send the invite link to the Gmail automatically, or to some other, or for example to Slack, it also can be done by our agent. Actually, there are a lot of purposes you can use the agent for. And by the way, our agent completed all four steps. It created the email with Google Docs report and sent the email. Let's check the email. Yeah, we just received the message. Dear colleague, yeah, some information, and let's open the doc. Yeah, as you can see, it generated some report about the retrieval augment generation, some document with some information on the topic, and we didn't do anything. We just asked our AI agent for the help. Yeah, I think that's enough for a brief explanation of our agent, and thank you for listening.